Today I'm going to show you how to create a preloader screen in Framer, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This is a great little effect if you want your website to feel more polished, more modern, and a lot more professional the moment someone lands on your page. A preloader screen can also help you create a smoother first impression while your main content is loading in the background. If you like practical Framer tutorials like this, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right into it. We're going to build this in 4 easy parts. First, we'll create the loader frame, then we'll turn it into a component. After that, we'll add variants for the visible and hidden states. And finally, we'll set up a simple animation so the preloader fades away smoothly. Let's start with the first step, creating the loader frame. Inside Framer, press F on your keyboard to create a new frame. This frame is going to act as the full screen preloader container, so make sure it fills the entire viewport. Set the width to 100% and the height to 100 VH. That gives you a full page overlay that covers the whole screen. Once the frame is created, add your logo or loading text inside it. You can keep it really simple with just your brand name, a spinning icon, or a short loading message. The goal here is to make the screen feel intentional and branded, not empty. After adding your content, center it both horizontally and vertically so everything looks clean and balanced in the middle of the screen. Now that the layout is ready, we need to convert it into a component. Select the frame you just created, then press Command or Ctrl+K. This opens the command menu. In the search bar, type Create Component and select it. Turning the loader into a component is important because it lets you manage different states and animations much more easily. Next, we're going to add variants. With the component selected, click the Add Variant button. You want to create 2 variants for this setup. The first one is visible, where the preloader is fully shown, so set the opacity to 100%. The second one is hidden, where the preloader disappears, so set the opacity to 0%. This is the key part that gives you the fade effect. By having one visible state and one hidden state, Framer can smoothly transition between them instead of just snapping the screen away instantly. That makes the experience feel much more natural and polished. Now let's add the animation. Inside the component settings, make sure the transition is set between the variants, then set the duration to around 0.5 seconds. That half-second transition is usually a great balance because it feels quick, but still smooth enough to notice. If you want it a little softer, you can make it slightly longer, but 0.5 seconds is a solid starting point. At this point, your preloader screen is basically done. You have a full screen frame, your logo or loading text, component variants, and a transition that lets the loader fade away cleanly. From here, you can customize it even more by changing the background color, adding a spinner, using an animated logo, or matching the style of your brand. If you want to make the effect even better, keep the design minimal. Preloaders work best when they're quick and simple. Don't overload the screen with too much text or too many animations because the purpose is just to give the user a smooth transition while the main page loads. So to recap, press F to create a frame, set it to full screen, add your logo or loading text, convert it into a component with Command or Ctrl+K, add a visible and hidden variant, and then set a short transition between them. That's how you create a preloader screen in Framer the easy way. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Framer tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more beginner-friendly design effects in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.